How to create a domain pointer in DirectAdmin. A domain pointer allows you to point another domain name to the root domain of your primary site. When a user accesses the pointed domain, the browser redirects the user to the root domain. You can add as many domain pointers as your hosting plan allows. All can point to the same primary site. We assume you have already logged in to your DirectAdmin account. Click Domain Pointers. Then click Create Domain Pointer. Enter the domain pointer in the text input box for source domain. Make sure that the domain name you entered has the same nameserver's DNS settings as the root domain of your primary site. If it is different, you can change it through your domain registrar. Uncheck the box for alias and click Create. Here it shows the domain pointer we just created. This is the interface where you can create new domain pointers and manage the existing ones. Now you know how to create a domain pointer. Thank you for watching.